Hello. Today we're going to do this homework called color count graph. So right up here, write your name. I'm going to write my name, but you write your name. Okay. Okay, lovies. If at any time, if at any time you find that I'm going too quickly, I'm going too fast on this video, and you need time to catch up, you pause the video so you can catch up. Okay? You can pause as many times as you like. Whenever you need me to slow down, you pause it so you can finish up. And when you're done, then you unpause it so we can move on. Okay? All right. So the first thing is we're going to do is we're going to look at this first shape. This is a square. Okay? So I'm going to color all the squares that I find red. Okay? So there's a square right there. I'm going to color it red. I'm going to color this one red because this is also a square. Okay, these are not squares, so I'm not coloring them red. These are not squares. There's a square. I'm going to color it red. Okay, so this is not a square, and this is not a square, and that's not a square, but this is a square. Look, it's a square. It's just turned sideways. You see that? It's a square, but it's just turned sideways. So I'm going to color it red. Okay, I don't see any more squares. These are not squares. No, no, no. No, no, no. So I think it's only these squares right here. So go ahead and finish coloring them red. These four. Okay. If you need more time to color the shapes red, the squares red, pause the video so you can finish coloring, okay? Because I am going to continue. If you don't pause, I'm going to keep going. Okay, so if you need more time to color them red, pause the video. And if you don't want to color them red, you want to color them a different color, you can do that too. So I'm going to color four squares here red to show that there's four squares on the graph. Okay, one, two, three, four. Okay, so I colored four, one, two, three, four, because there's four red squares. Go ahead and do that. Now, lovies, if you need more time to color in these four red squares, right now pause the video so you can finish coloring the four red squares. If you're done, then don't pause the video because we're moving on. Okay, but if you're not done, pause it right now so you can finish. Okay, so next I'm going to choose purple for the rectangles. Do you have to choose purple? No. You can choose any color you want for the rectangles. Okay, I'm going to choose purple. If you want to do purple, you can. If not, do whatever color you like. Okay, so I'm going to look at all the rectangles and color them purple. So let's see, this one is a rectangle, so I'm coloring it purple. Wait, I'm going to color this one purple first. Purple, 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 purple. Okay, so this one's purple. And that's not a rectangle. This is a rectangle right here, so I'm going to color it purple. Okay. Okay, so that's not a rectangle, but this is a rectangle, so I'm going to color this one purple too. Hopefully I'm not going too fast, but if I am, you can pause the video. Okay? All right, so I'm going to move on. This one's not a rectangle, so I'm not coloring it purple. This one's not a rectangle. This one is a rectangle, so I'm going to color it purple. Okay. Okay. So no rectangle, not a 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 rectangle. Ah, this one is a rectangle. So I'm going to color it purple. If you don't want to color it purple, you can color the rectangles any color you want. Just make sure they're all the rectangles are the same color. Okay? All the rectangles have to be the same color. Okay, so this is not a rectangle. This is not a rectangle. This is a rectangle. So I'm going to color this one purple. And I'll give you a chance to color it. Okay, this one's not a rectangle. This one is a rectangle, so I'm going to color it purple. Okay. All right, so I finished coloring all the rectangles. So I'm going to count the rectangles. Now, if you still are coloring rectangles, pause the video so you can finish coloring. Okay, because if not, we're moving on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 rectangles. So right here, I'm going to color 7 blocks, okay? So that I can show that there are 7 rectangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now, I know I'm going too fast, so I'm going to give you time right now to catch up, okay? All right, I'm going to wait so you can catch up and color in 7 blocks for the 7 rectangles. Okay, hopefully you finished coloring 7 blocks for the rectangles. Okay, now we're going to do the triangles, And you can pick any color you want for the triangles. But I pick blue, okay? If you don't want to do blue, you want to do yellow or green or orange, you can do yellow, green, or orange. It doesn't matter what color you pick, okay? So I'm going to color in my triangles blue. Okay. Okay, now again, do you have to do blue? No. You can do whatever color you want. Okay, now all of these are triangles, so I'm going to color them blue. Okay, here I go. Does it matter if I color them pretty? No, it doesn't matter. Okay, so I finished coloring all my triangles blue. So I did a messy job. Okay, so if you have not finished coloring your triangles blue, just pause the video so you can finish coloring them, okay? And because I know I went kind of fast. So pause the video so you can finish. All right, now that we finished coloring all our triangles, we got to count them, okay? So here I go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm going to count them again just to make sure I got that right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I got 9 rectangles. So I'm going to color 9 blocks to show that there are 9 triangles, not rectangles, triangles. 1. I'm going to go pretty fast, okay? 2. So at the end, you can, finish coloring if I already finished and you haven't. 3. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this one's 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. Okay. Okay. Go ahead and finish coloring your 9 squares, your 9 blocks, to show that you have 9 triangles. Okay. So if you need more time, pause the video, okay? Since we're done, I'm done. I'm going to say, so we graphed how many videos. So how many squares did we find? 2, 3, 4. 4 squares. How many rectangles did we find? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, 7, right? And how many triangles did we find? 9, right? 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, great job. I'm going to turn off the video.